All right, so today I wanted to go over 5 different ways you can increase your credit score. You need to have a good credit score to get a home loan, so I thought this would be great for you. Even if you have great credit, these little tips could help your credit score increase. So the first thing I want to talk about is being an authorized user on someone's credit card. So if you have someone that really trusts you, you can be an authorized user on their credit card. If they have good credit, you want to be an authorized user. And this can jump your credit score fairly quickly. And of course, the person that you're an authorized user on, this also gives you an opportunity to absolutely destroy their credit. So you need to be on top of it and actually pay off your credit card. But this is just one tip that can help you increase your credit score dramatically very quickly. So you want to start building a credit history. I suggest you get 3 to 4 credit cards, and this will give you 3 to 4 lines of credit, and start using your credit cards. You want to go to a top tier 1 bank like Wells Fargo or Bank of America and get your credit cards there. It's not the same if you get a credit card from your Macy's or your Home Depot. This will not help your credit score if you use those credit cards as much as getting a credit card from a top tier bank will. So you want to go there and talk to someone and let them know that you want to increase your credit score and open some credit cards under your name. So now that you have your credit cards and lines of credit, you need to get less new credit. So what I mean is that you need to not introduce any new credit in your history, because this will actually ding your credit. You probably think I'm crazy because it's counterintuitive, just what I just said, but this is true. So once you are locked in with your credit, keep it that way and don't introduce any new credit because it will hurt you. You usually see your credit jump every 3 months, so your score will either go up or go down. But in this case, since you're following these tips, it's going to go up. So the next thing I want to talk about is credit utilization. When you have your credit cards, you want to stay under 10% utilization of these credit cards. So let's say you have a credit card that can go up to $2,000. You want to stay under $200 mark. So the more utilization you have, the worse off you are, the worse your credit will be. So you want to stay under that 10% mark. This graph shows you just that. If you're using more than 10% on your credit cards, what you can do is you can call up your bank and ask for increased line of credit. And let's just say you're at that $2,000 mark. Maybe they jump you up to 4. You can increase the amount you spend, but still be under that 10% utilization. And this will give you a little bit more freedom to spend and stay under that threshold. So this might be obvious to a lot of you guys. You want to make sure you're paying off your credit card to 0 every single month. Make sure you're on top of that and you're not letting your payment go by and build up, because A, you have a high interest rate, but B, it'll hurt your credit. If you can't pay off your credit cards every single month to 0, at least pay off that amount that's due every single month. So here's a little tip. If you are looking to get a loan or a new credit, your credit cards report to the credit bureau every single month. So you want to make sure you know exactly when they're reporting to the credit bureau so you can actually pay off your credit cards before you get your credit pulled. So once they pull your credit will be as high as possible and you will have 0 debt to pay. Not only will this help you get approved for a line of credit, but it'll actually get you a better interest rate on that line of credit that you're getting. So once you have good credit, you can actually borrow more money, and you can borrow more money to actually up your wealth. So this is why I was introducing a video on helping your credit. So hopefully you guys found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video.